Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today we went extra dramatic. Okay, so this is the look that we came up with. I was thinking fall vibes, and I also was thinking that I wanted to use a lot of BH Cosmetics products. So this is about 90% BH Cosmetics because I really love BH Cosmetics. They are bomb, their products are bomb, and I just kept on getting newer and newer stuff and kind of pushing it to the back, but I was like, you know what, let me bring it back. Okay, this is nice and affordable, and it's really good quality. So the palette that we used is called the Blushed Neutrals palette, and this is what the palette looks like. It's a lot of pinks and burgundies and browns, and it's really pretty, and it's like the perfect fall palette. So if you are on a budget, definitely pick that up, and they have a bunch of other things. I'm going to be picking up that marble set soon, but you guys let me know what you feel about this look below. If you are interested in seeing how we got this look, then please stay tuned. Please also continue to like the videos, share, and subscribe so we can keep our engagement up and continue to grow and show other people how to get these amazing looks. You guys have a wonderful day, and thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. Bye-bye. Alright beauties, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to be using a lot of BH Cosmetics products today. I do have a lot of BH Cosmetics, and I don't feel like I've used a lot of it in a long time, and I love my BH Cosmetics products, and it is starting to become fall, and one of my favorite fall palettes is this Blushed Neutrals palette. So we're going to go ahead and get started first with the brows. I don't have my BH Cosmetics brow pencil because I actually used it all, so I'm just using a drugstore, which is an affordable product. It's the L'Oreal Brow Stylist, Frame and Set, and Warm Brunette. Okay, so this is good. I know the brows are looking like uneven and not perfect, but we're going to perfect them. So I have sparse brows, so I have to go in really hard with the product so that I can make it look like I have more brow hairs. So that's why mine are so intense. But we're going to go ahead now and clean the brows up. So I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the color Pure Beige. This is the flat concealer brush I like to use. This is a brush I got from Unique, but any flat concealer brush would be perfect for this step. The LA Girl Pro Concealer, I'm going to use this as an eye base. So I'm going to put this on my eye. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and get started on this Blush Neutrals palette from BH Cosmetics. It's like on the inside. So it's just, first we're going to go in with a big fluffy blending brush so that we can lay down our transitional shade. So this color here, the palette, and blend that all over the crease. Next, we're going to go ahead and deepen this some more. So I'm going to go into the color right next to it. So this color right here. Okay, so the next color I'm going to go into is going to be this burgundy color at the bottom. And I'm going in with a smaller blending brush. I'm going to go into this brown right here. It's a little warmer. And I'm now going to go into a brush with no product on it and blend out the harsh lines. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, Pure Beige. Blending the sides, I'm going to start off with this burgundy color, and I'm going to mix it with this dark brown color here. Now I'm going to go in with this BH Cosmetics, it's my Ray Ray number 9 brush. And I'm going to go into this grayish color here and blend that right on the inner and outer, just the very, very front here. That is good. Now we're going to go ahead and go into this burgundy color and bring that in. And now we're going to go ahead and blend. Let's see, which color should we do? We'll do this light color here. It's like pale pink color over the white. I'm going to go back into the burgundy to blend out the ends a little bit more. I do have this here. This is a Smolder Cosmetics pink gold color. So that is good. I do like the little extra touch. It just adds just a little bit more of exaggeration to the halo eye. And we're going to be using a BH Cosmetics glitter. I know they just launched some new glitter, so that just made me want to play in the glitter that I have that's from them already. So now we need to moisturize, so we're going to go in with the Air Repair Complexion Boosting Moisturizer. Got this from an Ipsy bag, and it works really nice. It has hyaluronic acid in it. Benefit Professional Pro Balm Minimizing the Appearance of Pores. This is a primer. Now let's go ahead and get into the foundation. So I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Naturally Polished Foundation in the color Golden Beige. Alright beauty, so I'm actually going to go in with this Total Coverage BH Cosmetics Studio Concealer. And this is in the color 113. It's actually a little bright, but this is the only one that I have right now. Contoured. I'm going to go ahead and go in with a little bit more of the concealer just to redo that bottom part. I want that to crease. This is the Sacha Buttercup Powder. For now, we're going to go ahead and contour the face. To contour, I'm using the CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer. And I'm using my BH Cosmetics. It's my Ray Ray brush in the number 1. Go back into the Sacha Buttercup Powder. And I'm just going to let it set a little just so that we can do the under eye and not have the falling out be all over the face. But first we're going to go underneath. Now we're gonna go ahead and get ready to finish the rest of the eyes. I don't want to keep this bake on too long, so I'm gonna be kind of fast with this. So we're gonna go in with this burgundy color here, also the brown color here, oops, here, and then we're gonna get into this lighter color here to blend that out. So then we're gonna go ahead and add the glitter. So we're using this magenta glitter. This is a BH Cosmetics glitter. This is one of the originals, not the new one. It looks like this. And I'm using this NYX glitter adhesive. And now we're gonna blend away all the excess powder. And I'm using my Maybelline Lasting Drama waterproof pencil, and this is a soft nude. We'll go into this light pink color right here. This is the Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. It is really old. Like, I have to really get another one, but pink. I want to do something with some pink in it, so I'm going to do this pink here. So I ended up going into this pink too. Now we're going to go ahead and add our blush. So for blush, this color right here, we'll add that. Super pigmented, so do not go in too hard like I just did. Add the pink gold on top. This is the Honor Roll highlighter from the crayon case. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start on the lip. Planning on doing, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sad Girl. Okay, so with this dark lip, I don't know, the waterline is not looking right to me, being so light. So I'm gonna go in with my black pencil. Alright beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun dipping into the fall. Fall is coming, so it is time to just go ahead and, you know, get vampy. So this is the look that I came up with. I also enjoy dipping back into my BH Cosmetics products. I love BH Cosmetics. Their products are super bomb, and I just felt like, man, I haven't used my BH Cosmetics in a while, and I love their products. So I just wanted to show you guys their products and let you see how amazing they are. So I used, you know, their foundation. I used the foundation to contour. I used their concealer, the eyes, the blush. Everything is mostly BH Cosmetics except for the setting powder, lipstick, eyeliner, and lashes and brows. But everything else is all BH Cosmetics. So I definitely wanted you guys to see how amazing the products are, whether you're someone who you can't afford higher end makeup, or if you're someone who just wants to see how the products work. They're amazing. You can see here how the pigmentation is. blendability, everything. So you guys let me know what you think about this look below. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please continue to give me a thumbs up to let me know if you guys are liking the content. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you would like for me to do. Let's keep the engagement going so we can get this channel growing and get other people to be able to see this content. I appreciate you guys so much. I appreciate your support. Please let other people know about this channel so other people can also learn how to get these looks. I appreciate you once again and have a wonderful night. Bye-bye.